Hi guys, welcome back to Dee's Kitchen. So today we're going to fix homemade shrimp Alfredo. So for this recipe you will need a bag of shrimp, which I have shelled and deveined, panini noodles, which I have already cooked according to package, tomatoes. So this is one large tomato diced into cubes, 3 minced garlic cloves, and 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. And I have already made my homemade Alfredo sauce. So if you're interested in how to make homemade Alfredo sauce, please go check my video out. So let's get started. So to start off, which I forgot to add, you need 1 tablespoon of butter, and you're gonna allow that to melt. Next, you want to add your 3 cloves of minced garlic, your shrimp, and 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. You want to season with salt, just a little. And you want to cook until they are pink and well done. Now that our shrimp is done, you want to turn your eye off. And once I have stated before, I have already made my homemade Alfredo sauce. So I'm just going to pour my shrimp into my Alfredo sauce. This is my homemade Alfredo sauce. You want to mix your shrimp into your Alfredo sauce. Next, you want to add your tomatoes. you want to add your cooked panini noodles. And you want to mix it in really, really, really good. Once you have mixed all those ingredients together, doesn't that look yummy? You want to get a baking pan, which I have, and I have greased it already. And you want to pour your noodles, your Alfredo sauce in a pan. Okay. Now I normally just sprinkle just a little more Parmesan cheese on top. I'm sorry, mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese. That was mozzarella I used the first time. Now Parmesan cheese on top, just a little bit. My oven has been preheating on 350, so I'm just going to place it in the oven to bake for about 10 minutes. It's been 5 minutes now. So I'm just going to place it back in the oven for another 5 to 6 minutes. It's been baking for 10 minutes now. So now I'm just gonna place it back in the oven and I'm gonna cook it on broil for about 3 minutes. Depends on, you know, how your oven range. You know, you may not need 3 minutes. You may need less, you may need more. But I just suggest you watch it because it can easily burn. I just want it golden brown on top. Our shrimp Alfredo has baked on broil for 3 minutes. That's the end of my garlic baked shrimp Alfredo. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe below. And don't forget to go check out my homemade Alfredo sauce video. Thanks for watching. Bye.